City of Flagstaff gets its water supply from three sources. Two of them are from surface water sources starting back in the late 1890s from the Inner Basin. And then in the 1940s we went out and built a dam in what we call Upper Lake Mary. Because of drought in the 1950s, the city began to get its second water supply, which is groundwater, and we have several different well fields. The third water supply that the city utilizes is reclaimed water, and we've been directly using that water supply for about the last 20 years or so. Watersheds are important because by definition, any water that falls within a watershed is collected and has the ability to be used locally or regionally within the communities and the environment in that watershed. The city of Flagstaff and our community uses about 1/3 of that water supply. The other 2/3 of that water supply gets discharged into the Rio de Flag. However, there is some questions now about the quality of reclaimed water. What are these compounds of emerging concern? They're not regulated. We know that there's no demonstration that there's any health of human impacts, but we know we can find them and we can test for them. One of the unique things that we've done with this facility, given a lot of the questions about its water quality, is we had this plant's reclaimed water tested to see if it would meet Safe Drinking Water Act standards. This treatment plant treats water to that standard that it met all of the water quality requirements under the Safe Drinking Water Act. We just received, just this month, what is known as the designation of adequate water supply by the Department of Water Resources. The city of Flagstaff, for the first time ever, is going to start linking, in each time we have a plat or a home that's built, with a 100-year water supply with it. So we begin working with the Department of Water Resources and their hydrologists, and how can we ensure, as we grow into the future, that we do maintain and ensure that we have a 100-year water supply.